Triumph TR8 Convertible 1980 to 1981. The Triumph TR8 is an 8-cylinder version of the wedge-shaped Triumph TR7 sports car, designed by Harris Mann, and manufactured by British Leyland, BL, through its Jaguar/Rover/Triumph, JRT, division. Because of its outstanding performance, the TR8 was often dubbed the English Corvette. The majority of TR8s were sold in the United States and Canada. A more powerful V8 engine version of the TR7 was planned in the early stages of the TR7's development, a prototype being produced in 1972. However, British Leyland's financial state, labor problems and lack of engines, as MG and Range Rover had first priority, delayed the project. By 1978 some 145 prototype cars were built with V8 engines, and usually automatic transmissions. These anonymous TR8s, no identifying badges, and all coupes, were evaluated for British Leyland by various dealers and then sold off as used cars. The FIA papers for the TR8 homologation, granted April 1, 1978, include pictures showing a 1977 TR7 V8 prototype with a set of decals indicating it to be a TR7 V8. However, oddly, these TR8 homologation pictures also show it had the large Sprint decals on the rear wings, in the same font as the TR7 and V8 decals on the boot lid. It is not clear from the picture of the front of the car whether or not it had a small Sprint decal below the TR7 decal, as is shown on the TR8 prototype in Hardcastle's book on the Rover V8 engine. Neither of these decals are part of the set used on the car shown in the TR7 Sprint homologation pictures in the ME archives, and in Knowles' Triumph TR7 The Untold Story. And, unlike that decal set, the Sprint decals shown on this TR8 and that in Hardcastle are not known by any BL part numbers. The official use of these pictures in the homologation process may suggest that BL toyed with the idea of calling this car the TR7 V8 Sprint or TR7 Sprint V8, etc., at some point, but did not progress the idea beyond when these photographs were taken.